All right, welcome. So this we're going to be making a polished brush, a simple brush. So the first thing to do here is to select this cube, scale it to your choice, tap into edit mode. Good, I have this cube here. So I'm going to add a loop cut by pressing Ctrl R. Good, I have it this way, and then I'll right click to cancel. Now press Z and press 4 to go to wireframe, or you can simply come to this place and then select it to go to wireframe. Control B to level. Select so the next is to add the air on it. I'll go to then grab it a little, select my cursor direction to this place. Control B to bevel. Okay, so the next is to add the air on it. I'll go to the up view, select my cursor to this place. Shift A to add a circle. So this is a circle. I'm going to add a circle and then I'll reduce the vertices to 16. Good. And then I'm going to edit mode. Now you can zoom in if you want. We're going to fill this up. So you're going to press F to fill this up. F. Now you can see it's filled up. So I'll fill this place. Then I'll go to this particle, the property, and I'll click on it. And then remember to go into object mode. If not, it will not show. So good. And select hair. When you do that, let's see how it looks like. Good. Now you can see it there, but the hair is too long. Okay, let me make it 0.4. All right. So I think I'm good with this. Good. So the next thing to do is there are different ways of doing it. Either you keep creating circle and then refilling, or you duplicate it by pressing Alt D. So I'll go to the up view, good, and then I'm going to press Alt D and then move it in Y direction. So I have a hair here. Let me press 3 so I see. Good. Okay, so press Alt D again and then move it in Y. Select it, press Alt D, and then Y direction. So you keep doing that. Okay, so you have something like this. What we're going to do is we're going to select everything. And then go into front view, Alt D. We're going to press Alt D and then move it in X direction. Good. So we have it like this. So we're going to repeat the same process like that. All right, so you have your hairbrush like this. So you have made your brush with the hair on it. Good. So what we're going to do is I'll go to render view. All right, so I'm going to select one of these hair because I duplicated with Alt D. So I'll go to this material view, click on this, and then set my material to black. So every of the hair It's going to be dark because I duplicated it with Alt D. So this is the brush. So I'm going to give this material a red color.